Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best hand cream is probably one of the most essential items in anyone's personal care arsenal, especially for those who find their hands constantly battling dryness, irritation, or the harsh effects of the environment. Whether you're a busy professional typing away at a keyboard all day, a parent juggling countless tasks, or simply someone who appreciates the feeling of soft, moisturized skin, a good hand cream can make a world of difference, providing immediate relief and long-term benefits for your skin's health and appearance. Number 5. Eucerin Advanced Repair Hand Cream. Experiencing dry, rough hands? Discover advanced repair with our specially formulated cream. It's designed to deeply moisturize and soothe. Infused with urea, this moisturizer helps to replenish essential moisture. It effectively combats dryness and leaves your skin feeling smoother. Enjoy the benefits of intense hydration without any fragrance. This unscented formula is gentle, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Our unique triple moisturizing complex works to provide lasting relief. It locks in moisture, repairing your skin's natural barrier. This convenient travel size tube is perfect for on-the-go hydration. Keep your hands soft and comfortable wherever you are. Get more of what you love with this pack of 3. Ensure you always have this essential hand care within reach. What we like. This hand cream is packed with urea and a triple moisturizing complex for intense hydration. It's completely unscented, making it ideal for sensitive skin. If you suffer from severely dry or cracked hands and prefer a fragrance-free option, this is the one for you. What people say. This hand cream is very moisturizing and leaves my hands feeling soft. The scent is light and pleasant, not overpowering at all. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Number 4. CeraVe Therapeutic Hand Cream. Are your hands suffering from dryness and cracks? Discover intensive care designed to soothe and restore your skin. Experience deep hydration with the power of hyaluronic acid. It helps to attract moisture, leaving your skin feeling supple. Formulated with niacinamide, this cream helps to calm and comfort irritated skin. It supports a healthier skin barrier. Enjoy the benefits without the irritation. This formula is fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Keep your hands soft and protected throughout the day. Make this therapeutic cream a part of your daily routine. It works to repair the skin's natural barrier and protect it from environmental factors. Your hands will feel noticeably smoother. What we like. Infused with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, this cream deeply moisturizes and helps repair the skin barrier. It is also fragrance-free, perfect for daily use. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday hand cream that soothes and protects without any scent, this is a great choice. What people say. This hand cream is very moisturizing and leaves my hands feeling soft and smooth. The scent is light and pleasant, not overpowering at all. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Number 3. Miracle Hand Repair Cream 1 ounce, 3-pack. Introducing Miracle Hand Repair Cream, your solution for dry, cracked hands. Experience the healing power of nature with this intensive moisturizing treatment. Infused with 60% pure aloe vera, this cream provides deep hydration and promotes rapid healing. It's designed to soothe and restore even the most damaged skin. Enjoy a non-greasy feel as it quickly absorbs into your skin. This means you can get back to your work without any sticky residue. Specifically formulated for working hands, it combats dryness and cracking caused by daily wear and tear. Keep your hands soft and protected all day long. This convenient 3-pack ensures you always have this essential hand repair cream on hand. Get lasting relief and enjoy smooth, healthy skin. What we like. Featuring a high concentration of aloe vera, this hand repair cream offers rapid healing and hydration. Its non-greasy, fast-absorbing formula is perfect for those with very dry, damaged skin. If your hands are constantly exposed to harsh conditions or you need a quick, effective repair, this product is designed for you. What people say. It is a good hand cream for dry skin. The cream absorbs quickly and leaves hands feeling soft. The small size makes it convenient to carry in a purse. Number 2. Panier Sens Mini Hand Cream Set. Introducing the Panier de Sens Mini Hand Cream Set, a delightful collection for your hands. Experience the essence of Provence with these travel-sized treasures. This set features 3 beautiful scents: rose, lavender, and verbena. Each one offers a unique sensory journey inspired by nature. Crafted with 97% natural origin ingredients, these creams are made with care in France. Enjoy the purity of natural botanicals. Looking for the perfect gift? This set makes an ideal present for women, especially for occasions like Mother's Day. It's a thoughtful gesture they'll adore. Each hand cream is conveniently travel-sized at 1 fluid ounce. Keep your hands moisturized and soft wherever you go, with this compact and elegant set. Indulge in the nourishing power of these natural hand lotions. They provide essential hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and revitalized. What we like? This set offers a delightful collection of hand creams made with natural ingredients and originating from France. With 3 distinct, pleasant scents, it's perfect for gifting or personal variety. If you appreciate natural formulations and enjoy trying different fragrances, this travel-sized set is an excellent option. What people say. This hand cream is incredibly moisturizing and leaves my hands feeling soft and smooth. The scent is very pleasant and not overpowering, making it a joy to use throughout the day. It absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue, which is perfect for on-the-go application. Number 1. L'Occitane Organic Shea Butter Hand Cream. Experience the rich, organic shea butter formula designed to deeply nourish your hands. It provides essential care for even the driest skin. This cream forms a protective barrier, shielding your hands from harsh elements. Enjoy long-lasting comfort and softness throughout your day. Say goodbye to sticky residue. Its fast-absorbing, non-greasy texture means you can get back to your activities immediately. Feel the difference as it leaves your skin feeling incredibly moisturized and exceptionally soft. It's a daily treat for your hands. We believe in kindness to your skin and the planet. This hand cream is proudly vegan, made with ingredients you can feel good about. Discover the power of nature with our 20% organic shea butter hand cream. It's the perfect solution for beautifully cared for hands. What we like? Enriched with 20% organic shea butter, this hand cream provides deep nourishment and protection for dry hands. Its vegan formula absorbs quickly, leaving skin feeling moisturized and soft without greasiness. If you seek a luxurious, plant-based option that intensely hydrates and conditions, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This hand cream is very moisturizing and leaves my hands feeling soft and smooth. I love the scent of this hand cream. It's subtle and pleasant. The texture of the cream is light and absorbs quickly without feeling greasy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.